Hi, Raymond Whittaker from VivaMK. Just going to unpack a delivery. So let's have a look to see what the customers are ordering from the delivery. Let's just open the box up, see what's inside it. So we've got a duvet set. We've got some catalogues. We've got the new health catalogue. With all the shakes and sleep drinks and fat burning and detox drinks. So we've got some of them catalogues. We've got the new in yours catalogue. So the new bedding which we're selling and household stuff, home perfumes, ornaments, jewellery, clocks and wax melts. So we got some new personalised order forms. And we've got the new House Proud catalogues. So have a quick look, see what's inside the House Proud catalogue. So here's a House Proud catalogue. So round about now, VivaMK are actually producing 100 VivaMK branded products. Only you can be bought through VivaMK. Got Fox Away, Cat Away, offers Ants, Spider Away. Got polishes, Tupperware, kitchen scissors, banana stands, microwave stuff, kitchen stuff, oven cleaners, oven gloves, eco-friendly products, mould away, toilet cleaner, Revive, so there's them. Another box of them. So I've got some, looks like pillowcases. Yeah, another set of pillowcases. Got some jewellery. Make some room. It's like we have some personalised item here. So we've got a personalised Got some Beauty UK. Got a Memorables stone. We've got a couple of shades of nail varnish. And we've got another pillowcase. Oh no, got a king size sheet. So we've got a second box here, so let's have a look at what's inside the second box. The paperwork. We've got a bag of meal replacements. We've got a ply screen for the back door. So we've got some compost food wrap. We've got a 6-piece bale towel set. We've got another 6-piece towel bale set. These are nice family frames. Put your family photographs in. We've got sparkle beach tablets. Got a kitchen or bathroom metal shelving. So we've got a couple more boxes in here. So we've got nice ornaments. So we've got garden pruners. Got bath bombs. Another bag of bath bombs. Another bag of bath bombs. Got another towel bale. So we got another box there. And we got a bag with something in there. So we'll get rid of this box. So should open a small one first. So let's see what's inside this box. So we've got a couple of hand creams. We've got a bathroom bag. We've got couple of drain sticks. So we've got a cupcake case. Got a pill box. Got a silver polishing cloth. We got a microwave egg poacher. Got some fresh linen. Got a some Desire broom. let's open this box, see what's inside it. So we got some wildflower seeds. We got some Ultra PC cleaner. Got 2 tubs of Ultra PC cleaners. Got a tub of de-icer. Got a blast can Azul air freshener. Got a blast can Ventus air fresheners. Multi-grow purpose plant food. Got some Clean Easy stain remover. Got a tub of drain away. We got a tub of weed killer. And we got a Viva Versatile. So thank you for watching the unboxing of the latest delivery. So see you next time on the next delivery. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.